It's now fall, and that means it's time for fall punches, and we are making a delicious orange creamsicle punch in a pumpkin. My name is Aliana, and welcome to my kitchen. The first thing we are adding to our punch bowl is our orange juice, and I'm actually going to be using the whole carton of orange juice. This is around 6.5 cups. Next, I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of vodka, and you can also add ginger ale to this recipe, but I bought some today, and then I was looking at the ingredients, and it has high fructose corn syrup in it, and to me, I just don't like to have drinks that have that in it, so I'm going to be adding in some champagne. But if you do want to add some ginger ale, I would say add 4 cups in, or you can add in 2 bottles of champagne rather than just 1 bottle of champagne. And if you watch my videos, you know I love my bubbly, so we are going to be adding in our champagne now. No, why don't we just do 2 at once? There we go. And now I'm just going to be adding in 1 sliced orange because you gotta be healthy. We're adding in our fruit. And now I'm just going to give it a stir as well as a little taste test. I always like to taste it before I serve it because you don't want to ever serve a bad drink. Ooh, that is so good. It does not need anything. It is absolutely delicious. But there's one thing we are missing if we are making an orange creamsicle, and that is our ice cream. So let me go grab that. Okay, and here I have my glass of punch, and to it I'm just going to add in a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can also add a few scoops to your punch, but I kind of think it's fun to let people do a self-serve situation, and if they want to add ice cream to it, they can, but they also don't have to. It's up to your preference. But I like a little ice cream in mine. And I'm also going to be adding in a slice of orange. And this just looks so delicious. I'm really excited to try this. It's like a cocktail and a dessert all at once. Oh, that's so good. You know what I also have to do? I have to take a bite of it with the ice cream. As the ice cream melts into it, it'll give it flavor, but I have to do a bite right now. Oh my god. It's not too sweet because of that orange citrus flavor. It really cuts through, and it's also nice and boozy. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like it. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see some more of my cocktail and punch recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!